Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add a cookie content banner to your website using Cookiebot CMP. We'll walk through the steps from signing up to get that content banner live on your site, ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations like GDPR. Ready to conquer those privacy laws? Let's jump right into it. So now first, let's understand what is Cookiebot CMP. Cookiebot CMP is a powerful content management platform, or CMP, that helps websites stay compliant with data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. It automatically scans your site for cookies and trackers and allows you to customize a cookie content banner that informs visitors about your site's data usage. Some key features include fully customizable cookie content banner, best-in-class cookie scan, global cookie repository, automated cookie declaration, effortless blocking and signaling, secure content storage, easy and flexible integrations, and its pricing. Cookiebot offers both free and paid plans depending on your site size and features required. The free version is available for small websites for up to 50 sub-pages, while larger websites can choose from different plans based on their needs. So now let's get started with the steps. So step 1, create a new account. To start, head over to Cookiebot's website and create a new account. You can sign up easily using your Google or Microsoft account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the Cookiebot dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything from adding domains to configuring your banner. So now let's start adding our website. Cookiebot will automatically perform a scan to your site to detect cookies and other trackers. This scan is essential because it helps Cookiebot identify which cookies are active on your site and ensures that your banner will inform users correctly. And then next, it's time to configure the legislation presets. Choose a preset like GDPR, which is for Europe, or CCPA for California, depending on the regulations you need to comply with. Or you could also go with a custom code so you can freely design your content banner with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. And then once you're all done, click here on Next. So now in this step, it's time to configure the cookie content banner. Here's how you do it. So here in the design options, Cookiebot gives you a variety of customization options to ensure the banner fits seamlessly into your website design. You can match it to your site's color scheme and adjust the look and feel to align with your brand identity. And then next would be the banner message. In the content section, you can customize the banner message and any other text elements. Cookiebot supports multiple languages, allowing you to cater to users globally. And then next would be the privacy trigger and declaration. You can also set up privacy trigger that allows users to check or update their cookie preferences on your site at any time. So now once you're all done, click here on Next. And now next are the implementation options. Once you've configured your banner, it's time to implement Cookiebot CMP on your website. There are multiple ways to do this. Number 1 would be to add a script. The most common method is simply adding a small script to the header of your website. You can do this manually by copying and pasting the script into your website's HTML code. And then number 2 would be the WordPress plugin. If your website is built on WordPress, Cookiebot offers a plugin that makes integration super easy. And then number 3 would be the Google Tag Manager. Another option is to implement Cookiebot using Google Tag Manager, which lets you manage your tags without directly modifying your website's code. And now another method is Google Consent Mode. Google Consent Mode is an API which Cookiebot CMP integrates with. And we also have some other installation guides available. No matter which method you choose, Cookiebot provides a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Once you are done here, then you can now click here on Finish. And now lastly, once the script is installed, your cookie consent banner will be live on your site. From the end user perspective, visitors will now see a banner when they first arrive, informing them about your website's cookie usage and giving them the option to accept, reject, or customize their consent settings. It's easy for users to navigate, ensuring you remain compliant without sacrificing the user experience. And that's it! You have now successfully added a cookie consent banner to your website using Cookiebot CMP. This simple yet powerful tool keeps you compliant with data privacy regulations while ensuring your visitors are informed and comfortable with how their data is being used. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.